Y'all, I finally have my iPhone 17 in lavender. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lord. Let's go ahead and unbox the iPhone 17 in lavender. Beautiful. Short form as always. Now I'm going to do the fun, interesting part with you all. I'm saving the paper for last. Oh my gosh, this is my brand new phone. Let's go ahead and open up the cable, which is of course USB-C to USB-C. My last phone was lightning cable, which was the iPhone XR. So I'm upgrading. Charger wise, my iPad is USB-C. My Apple AirPods are USB-C as well. So that helps that almost all my devices will be USB-C. Yeah. Manual. No longer need a physical SIM card. So I gotta get that situated. I have officially opened and unboxed everything that comes with the phone. It doesn't come with a block, but don't you all worry. I have a purple block, USB and USB-C. So I'm gonna be plugging it up into my purple charging station. I really enjoy the box so much. Like a purple logo, guys. Like, yeah. Bam. iPhone. Bam. iPhone. And here's the back. If you all don't have one, then that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is my phone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's power her on. She's cutting on, guys. My new phone. Who is this? Yeah. Okay, I'm done filming for short form now, so we can get right into this video. I'm about to put the case on. Thank you to Ornato for the case and Octofly for sending me over iPhone cases once the new iPhones came out. They knew I wanted purple, so they sent over some cute purple cases. So I'm going to show you all how it looks going in, because I just don't want to keep holding this phone and I don't have a case, and I gotta hurry up and get me a screen protector. It feels so good. I didn't even let it do the Apple thing. Ooh, it clicks. I got a new phone, y'all. Okay, you get the purple two-tone vibes. Get it? Purple. I purposely bought this shirt for a purple Apple unboxing. I'm just so thankful. Okay, and the Octofly, which I think this is gonna be my favorite one. So I think I'm gonna put, yeah, I'm gonna keep this one on because it kind of gives me the vibe. So, yeah, I got a new iPhone. Yeah, tune into my YouTube channel at Creatively Kai. Okay, have a great life. Bye. Okay, here's my phone. I'm gonna give it to y'all the old-fashioned Apple way. Let it come up to hello, since I've waited this long to film the phone. English and then cut it off. Let's see. Hello, y'all. Okay, I got it. That's a quick hack for y'all. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and set it up. I can't do screen recording yet, but I'll do as much as I can with you all. United States, choose how you want. I love it large. I haven't had a new phone in so long, so all the updates I've been missing out on the lock screen, like my iPad. Quickly set up, bring your current iPhone or iPad. Lord, this is my iPhone XR. So now, oh, set up new phone. Okay, so here it is. So we're gonna do that. Waiting for other phone. So hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Position in the pattern of the circle. Getting things ready. Just a moment. Keep this phone near the other iPhone. Set it up. Set up as a new phone. Yes, I want to set it up as a new phone. Finish on your new phone. Have to do the password. It's bigger too. Like, wow. setting up your iPhone. I wonder how long this is going to take. And now that I don't need my actual SIM card, I wonder how this is going to work. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Oh, I can't wait to get a pop socket for this again. I miss Face ID. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see. Yeah, I'll do this. I'm so excited. Oh, dang it. I wanted to do that part. Transfer your data. I only have 64 gigabytes on this iPhone, so it shouldn't take up much storage on here. Transfer it directly so this iPhone will be ready with your data when finishing. Transferring. Let's do that. Setting up your account. Oh, it's signing in. There I am. Oh, that was so quick. I mean, here I am. I'm so excited for my new phone. I think I'm gonna be most excited for the dual capture camera and my controls center and updating my Apple Watch, because my Apple Watch hasn't been able to be updated to the latest software because of my iPhone XR. So I'm happy to get sleep scores and all that back with a new phone. Device added to your account. I thought I read out of storage. Okay, continue. Saying I can customize, make this your new iPhone. So yeah, update your iPhone automatically. Future software updates will be automatically downloaded and installed for you as they are released. Of course, I love a good update. Stolen device protection adds an extra layer of security. Yeah, I need that. Gotta have that. Oh, it did my Face ID. I'm so excited. No need to reach for cards when it's time to pay. Just use your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay online, in apps, and in store where contactless payments are accepted. I can't wait to be like, because I haven't really done it with my previous one. And now it says using Apple Pay, double click the side button and I can use it wherever I see the symbol. I don't know. Apple Watch, do you want to use Apple Watch with this phone? Of course I want to use Apple Watch for this phone. Screen time, get a weekly report with insights excuse me, about your screen time and set time limits. Yes. Well, I do know how much screen time I spend on this phone. iPhone analytics. I think I'll pass on that for now. The biggest decision. Are y'all team light mode or team dark mode? I'm team light. Apple Intelligence. Yes, please. I haven't had that on my phone yet. Summarize notifications. Yeah, I'll let them do that. News, entertainment. Yeah, I'll let them do that. I don't really want that one. Action button. Wait, what? This is my action. Oh, I forgot action button. I don't have the ringer anymore. That's crazy cool. Focus, camera. I had an iced matcha latte, vanilla, everything. Vanilla bourbon bean paste, vanilla creamer powder, and then vanilla sweet cream cocoa. Some of the best matcha. Siri, how's the weather? Siri is ready, y'all. I mean, I just wonder how long is this going to take. Okay. Y'all, the phone is not, it's like 2 inches bigger than an XR. This is a 6.1 screen size. Oh, only 4 minutes. And then this is a 6.3 size. 18 minutes. I'm going to come back once this is done, because I figured it was going to take long. I mean, it shouldn't be that much to transfer, but you never know. Already, I had to call my cell phone provider to get the eSIM, and now I can finish customizing my phone. Control, my favorite part. Click camera control to open the camera app. Click again to take a photo. Light press to adjust zoom, exposure, and more. Oh my gosh, that should be so fun. Welcome. Get started. Oh wow. Everything's so big, just how I like it. Oh, it's really trying to give my phone the same layout. I'm gonna update the phone and get all the good customization apps that I've been wanting for months. Okay, let me make a call and see does it work. Call failed. Said it could take up to 2 hours for my eSIM to actually work. So I'm gonna wait on that. Everything's downloading. Let's see how much storage I've used so far. I have 256 gigabytes of storage on this new phone compared to 64 gigabytes on my iPhone XR. Let's see how much storage I need. 39. Okay, so it should be just 64 since this phone was pushing it, or 40. Let's see. What was my current amount of storage I used? Oh, affirmations. Everything's syncing. I only used 54.95 gigabytes of storage, and most of it was applications, so all my apps. And I'm excited to have a new phone. I could delete most of my apps on my iPad, like Instagram, TikTok, because I've been posting on my tablet because my phone didn't want to push that hard, so I had to stop it and just start posting on my tablet. But now I should get some gigabytes back from that. Oh, I put on these glasses because I was having a hard time trying to get the blue light from not hurting my eyes. Thank you all so much for watching my iPhone 17 Lavender unboxing. I am truly happy and so blessed to have a new phone. And y'all stay tuned for all my Apple content. The iPhone content is going to go crazy. This video is already long, so I'm going to put a clip in at the end to show you all the comparison between the camera of the XR versus the 17. I have 2 cameras versus 1. Y'all have a great life, and let me know what y'all want to see now that I finally unboxed the iPhone 17.
Outside shots, iPhone 17, iPhone XR. Oh my goodness.
Have a great life. Bye. A new phone.